$300 of pea stone, which is about that size, and $160 in field stone, which is about that size. I weed whipped all the tall grass down as low as I can go. And our ground's pretty level, so we are not going to do anything besides weed whip. We're going to measure from the fence out 12 feet and 20 feet that way and lay some stones down for the perimeter. Now, we probably could have done this easier by drawing a line with spray paint, but this was fine. Doing it by eye worked out pretty well. It looks pretty good. I just want to state that we are not professionals. We don't know exactly what we're doing, but this is probably the wrong way to do it. But we're just going to put landscape fabric down, tuck it under all the rocks, and staple it down, well, tack it down with these landscape pins. And then we're just going to throw the pea gravel over it. bought 4 cubic yards of this pea gravel, 2 cubic yards of the fieldstone, and we planned it so there was enough for 2 inches of gravel there. We have a lot more because we wanted to run this all the way down along the lines of this fence line, all the way around, and we're gonna do this same thing here, over here, from the corner of this to the door. The grill area is gonna be exactly like this.